Okay, so we are talking about meta system here, and in meta system we'll talk about the importance of hierarchy. So a meta class can be a meta class type can be derived, and further it can be derived as per the usage. So if I have a class that's name is A and it is deriving from B, then it is must. So B has a meta class associated with it. By default, it is type, and B is base class, A is derived class. So A meta class must be same as B, or it must be, or it must if, or it A meta class must be same as its base meta class, or A meta class must be a subclass of B's meta class. So if B uses a meta class called meta that is derived from type, and B is a base class of A must use meta, or it must use that meta class that is derived from meta. It cannot use anything rubbish like something else that is derived from type or whatsoever. So in Python class inheritance, it is must that base class meta class and derived class meta class, those meta class must also come in a hierarchy. They cannot be absurd. So that is, so effect of that we'll see that how it is important, and what we can do with that. We are talking about inheritance in meta class. We'll go to slides. Day 4. Okay, so if we see meta class, then any class is a class, it derives from class object, that is the parent class of all classes, and it is of type. Now every class has a meta class. Object class has a meta class. A class has a meta class, that is type. What about inheritance? Inheritance in the sense, if I have a class A, B, and its meta class is meta, if A derives from B, A is subclass of B, what about its meta class? If I don't define the meta class, what is its meta class? If I explicitly define the meta class, what it should be? That is, follow the hierarchy in meta system also. So that is the question here. So answer is that if A derives from B, if A is subclass of B, its meta class also must be subclass of the meta class that is in B. That is required. So if B has a meta class meta, A must have meta class either meta or a meta A that derives from meta. So this is the scenario that we'll see. Okay, so now I would type one ti.py. So I have a meta class called meta that derives from type, and I have another class called meta1 that derives from type. I have a class B and its meta class is meta. So this is the scenario now. So I can run like this. I have a class A that derives from B and its meta class is nothing. What about type of A? Type of A is same as its parent class, that is meta. B is meta class, that is meta. What about if I set some meta class explicitly? B meta class equal to meta 1? Not possible. Meta class conflict. The meta class of a derived class must be subclass of meta class of all its bases. So this is a scenario in Python. Derived class, subclass, meta class must be subclass of the meta class of its parent. So meta class are also in hierarchy when we see the hierarchy of class. Let's take a typical example. Okay, so like PySide is a graphics library from Qt. I am importing QWidget. Now from so nice. Now I am going to derive a class called myWidget and it derives from QWidget. I would say pass. Okay, so my widget is ready. What is its type? Cyboken object type. What is type of QWidget? It would be same. It is same. What about I want a meta type to be assigned to widget. Now I can create a widget. Okay, so I can just say def init self super my widget self init, and I should be able to create my widget w equal to my widget w.show q application app equal to q application app.exit. So it should bring a window. It brings a window. So it is working right now. What about I have some meta class which has some characteristics and I want to set this meta class here. Let's try. Same problem. Meta class must be derived from is meta class of a derived class must be a super subclass of meta class of all its bases. What is the solution here? I can set it, bring the like this, So I have to derive from the meta class, that is QWidget points to from there, and then meta class would be like this. Let's see, it comes in. So this is the fundamental behind the inheritance in meta class. When there is both cases are there, when while subclassing a class, if meta class is assigned explicitly in its base class, then derived class meta class must be of it's a subclass, it must be a derivative. So that is the idea.